How to transfer crypto from Binance to MetaMask wallet. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to add your MetaMask to your Chrome extension. Then how are you going to do that? You just have to go to any web browser, type MetaMask, and then add this to your extension. So as you can see above here, it is now processing and downloading. And then after that, you just have to go to your extension icon right here and you will see this MetaMask. All you have to do is to pin this one. Now, next is you have to create a wallet. You can read the following here and then tap I agree and then create a password. And it is suggested that you have to create a strong password so that it will not be easily hacked by someone. So once you have created your password, you have to click this I understand the MetaMask. Cannot recover this password for me? Okay, then you can secure your wallet or you can do that later. Okay, tap this one, skip, but it's not recommended. Okay, tap next, done, and this is what it looks like. Now, the very first thing to do here is to add a network. Okay, so of course, we all know that you should look for a cheaper gas fee. Gas fee is a blockchain transaction fee paid to network validators for their services to the blockchain. So for this time, we're going to add network and we have to look for BNB chain. Okay, tap add here and then click switch to BNB. Okay, approve this one. You can read the following here and then click switch to BNB chain and you will see we're now using this one. Got it. Now, the next thing to do is to go back to your Binance. Make sure that you have verified your account here. Go to spot. So here you will see your balance. And then what you're going to do is to look for BNB and then you're going to look for withdraw. Okay, so if you can see it right here, then all you have to do is to click this withdraw next to deposit above. So what we're going to do here is to change the select coin to withdraw BNB. And then for address, what you're going to do here is to simply go to your MetaMask wallet, copy this. This is your address, and then paste it right here. Now for network, of course, you have to select the one which is cheaper. So you will have your options right here with the arrival time and the fee. So everything is up to you. So for this tutorial, let me pick this one. Click yes, I'm sure. And then type the amount here. After that is way to go. You just have to click withdraw. And after that, when you go back to your MetaMask, you should see the amount that you have withdrawn here. Okay, now just in case you can't see the amount, then you can go and import tokens, and all you have to do is to provide the information needed here. After you provide that, and then you can go back to your MetaMask and you will see here the amount that you have withdraw from your Binance. Okay, and that's it. That's how easy it is to transfer crypto from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.